Greetings everyone, you are welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Ngozi. So I am here again at Okpoko, and you see the work is ongoing. Mind you, today is Sunday. It seems they have been given a deadline because the way and manner they work now, it is almost that they are using lights to work at night. They are not relenting. I think they have been given this work a long time ago and they have been sleeping on it. Maybe they have been threatened, or maybe they have been pushed, or they have been given deadline. Because tell me why they are working so hard. Maybe they want to do it and complete it before New Year. Not just Okpoko, not just this Okpoko that they are doing, working so much in a haste. There's a place I passed, I think is Iweka Road or something. The way they are handling that place, the way they are working so tirelessly, you know that that something is actually up. And also, you know that Ochanja Road that I showed you guys in time past, they have done it and done it perfectly. So I'm going to cover that place when they are completely done, because the reason why I haven't covered that place is because of the heavy vehicles are still there, still on the road. So that is it. It seems they have been given a deadline. Everybody is working working so hard to get the work done. I am so much impressed about how solid they are doing Okpoko Road. So, but there is one thing I hold against this road. The road is so narrow. The road is so narrow. So I don't understand what is going on. They demolished this place, but still couldn't put their hands as much. I don't know what is going on, but the most important thing is that they are constructing a road. That is the most important thing. But I feel like could have been a little bit broad. Anyway, half bread is better than none. The quality of gutter is the most important thing and everything. So let them just do it fast, so that we'll enjoy the good intention of the government. All right. So they demolished some part of building and also building gutters in front of the building instead of where the exact areas they demolished. I don't understand. Or maybe I was not that close, that's why you cannot see it very well. But I'll try and go close and cover it so that you understand my point. So that is it. Please, thank you for watching. Subscribe and see you in the next one. Thumbs up the video. All right, see you in the next one. Bye.